Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Glen Carbon, local and long distance movers near me. We ensure that your long distance move occurs on schedule with no worry. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 3,000 miles away, our team will assist. Relocating isn't easy. However, using the right moving services can certainly make it so much simpler. Our experts take care of all the necessary moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you want to work with an Illinois moving company, rationalizing the expense might seem hard. However, after a close look at the main advantages of hiring a local moving company, you are likely going to see that it's well worth it. The time savings you gain can make using the services of a moving company among the best decisions you've made. Avoiding the heavy lifting also provides an additional benefit you get from working with the right local movers. Our experienced movers offer effectiveness with every single move. Moving day becomes much easier with 3 movers because we improve your entire move. It doesn't matter how large your move is, we can easily get it done quick. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Glen Carbon moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.